Your car's transmission fluid is its lifeline. Ignoring low transmission fluid levels can lead to costly repairs or even a total breakdown of your transmission. In this video, we'll cover the common signs of low transmission fluid level, how to check it, why driving on low fluid is a recipe for disaster, and what happens if you keep driving with low transmission fluid. Let's dive in. Getting started with symptoms of low transmission fluid. A low transmission fluid is not always very prominent, but there are definitely key symptoms that will pop, and you should watch for difficulty shifting gears. If your car struggles to change gears or refuses altogether, low fluid levels might be the cause. Burning smell. That sharp, acrid smell could mean your transmission is overheating due to insufficient lubrication. Slipping gears. Feeling like your car is losing traction or the engine revs unusually during shifts. This is another red flag. Unusual noises. Whining, humming, or clunking sounds often indicate your transmission isn't getting the lubrication it needs. Leaking fluid. Spot red, sweet-smelling fluid under your car. That's likely a transmission fluid leak needing immediate attention. Checking your transmission fluid is straightforward. Here's how to do it. Locate the dipstick. It's typically near the engine, but consult your manual for its exact location. Warm up your car. Let the engine run for a few minutes to get an accurate reading. Pull out the dipstick. Wipe it clean, reinsert, and pull it out again. Check the levels and color. The fluid should reach the full line and be a clear, reddish color. If it's dark or smells burnt, it's time for a change. Add fluid if necessary. Use only the manufacturer-recommended transmission fluid and avoid overfilling. Now here is what happens if you keep driving on low transmission fluid. 1. Overheating. Without sufficient fluid, the transmission can't regulate its temperature, leading to overheating and potential failure. 2. Increased wear and tear. Lack of lubrication causes friction between components, accelerating damage. 3. Costly repairs bills. Ignoring low fluid levels can escalate issues, often requiring a complete transmission rebuild or replacement, costing thousands of dollars. 4. A sudden breakdown. Worst case scenario. You're stranded on the side of the road with a failed transmission. Prevention is key. Keeping your transmission fluid at optimal levels can save you from these costly and stressful situations. Your transmission is a critical component of your vehicle, and proper maintenance is essential. Don't wait for these signs to worsen. Check your transmission fluid regularly and act at the first hint of trouble. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to check out our other video here on 19 things you should never do in an automatic car. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more car maintenance tips and share this with someone who could use it.